This is a water mill. This is how you harvest water on your land. This is a windmill. This allows you to harvest lumber or grain on your land. We've got some different tokens. Now these are gold. Literally, these are gold tokens. This is how you buy services for your land. And lastly, we have livestock tokens. Harvest livestock on your land. These are action cards. This is how you actually take action when it's your turn. You pull 3, 4. You pull 4 action cards. These are population cards. These are how you get people on your land. You win the game by getting 100 people on your land. This is a card for 10 people. There's also information cards. They let you know how much rates you get when you harvest on your land. Every player gets information cards.
So that's Allensworth, the board game. Most the shush.
Shh. You're yelling. That's Allensworth, the board game, folks. Get yours today.
Just so you know, Allensworth, the board game is available today through our Kickstarter, but you better hurry up because it's probably going to sell out. This is about the first ever Black town that was fully funded by African Americans. Make sure you get a game and tell a friend.